Do you know about Hitachi Construction Machinery's remanufactured parts? It is a product that Hitachi Construction Machinery collects used parts and remanufactures. This is the difference in installation costs between remanufactured parts and new parts. Plus, there are more benefits in addition to the cost. What do you do when heavy machinery stops working at the site? If you remove the broken parts and repair them, it will take time until the machinery can be put back to use. While the machinery is idle, the site is also idle. However, by using remanufactured parts, you can minimize downtime at the site. It is also wise to regularly switch to remanufactured parts before the machinery breaks. The remanufactured parts have high quality. They are made under appropriate quality control set by Hitachi Construction Machinery's remanufacturing factory. They also come with a manufacturer's warranty. In other words, remanufactured parts are this different from used parts and repair parts. Also, remanufactured parts are available for this lineup. This product uses this many inner parts. This many resources are needed to make these parts. If you discard a broken product, all of these resources would certainly be scrapped. But if you replace the inner parts, you can reduce scrap. Hitachi Construction Machinery Group efficiently collects and remanufactures products at locations around the world. This is certainly a circular business. Using remanufactured parts is also good for the environment.